I have got a Maytag Bravos with steam dryer and washer set. We're focusing on the dryer right now. We've got it completely stripped down, everything greased, everything put back together. It's clean inside and out. It's in excellent shape. It's essentially back in like new condition. Both of these units are in really good shape overall. And so what I want to show you here is just want to let you listen to it run, and then we're going to use the little temperature gun here to show you that it is heating up inside like it's supposed to. And I got one other thing I want to show you too. So we just have this on, let's see, it's on medium heat. Everything is kind of set to normal. And there it is. Sounds good. There's no shakiness or anything like that. All the electronics work perfectly. We've gone through and tested all of that out. And we'll give it just a minute to heat up here. I'll show you. It's running real good. Okay, I'll open her up. Light works good, and we'll shoot it right into the heating element tube. 162 and 67 on the inside. So we can get some clothes going in here also. One thing I want you to notice right there, that is actually a heating dispersal there for a gas dryer, which is really cool because this dryer can be used for gas or electric. So I want to show you. I thought it sounded a little loud back here. I've got it hooked up to the 220, but also down here there's an option for gas. So this dryer is top of the line, giving you the option for both. So whichever one you're after, this one's going to foot the bill. Now let me get that back on there and come around here and kind of restart this. All right. Running good, working good. Sounds really good. I'm gonna go ahead and toss a load of clothes in here, and we will hear it run with a full load of clothes. Hang on just a sec. Okay, just loaded up all the clothes there. And aside from those clothes bouncing around, it's very quiet. Alright, we'll move on to the washer now. Quick video of the Maytag Bravos washer, which is at a full bearing swap in it. It is running at full blast, full speed. Sounds amazing. The pump is also running. That noise you hear is the pump running because in the spin cycle it spins and drains. It's in excellent shape. And now that those bearings have been swapped out, it is running like mint new condition. While I had the tub and everything out, I went ahead and took the opportunity to deep clean the inside. So this not only is going to work like new, but it's also going to clean like new with absolutely no leftover remnants of the previous owner whatsoever. It is quiet as a mouse. All right, thanks.